Ho, ho, ho! Hello there, my friend. It's me, Santa Claus. I just opened your wonderful letter here at the North Pole. I must say, it brought a big smile to my face. Thank you so much for taking the time to write me. Mrs. Claus, the elves and reindeer love hearing from kind children like you all over the world. Now I see that you told me what you're wishing for this year. I'll be sure to share it with the elves in the workshop. They're already busy painting, sewing, and wrapping gifts for children everywhere. You'd be amazed how quick they work when there's Christmas music playing. But do you know what the most important part of the season is? It's not the presents, it's the kindness that we all share. That's the real magic of the holidays. So here's what I'd like you to remember, my dear friends. Be kind to others. A single act of kindness can make somebody's whole day brighter. Be patient and helpful at home, at school, and with your friends. The best gifts don't come in wrapping paper. And most of all, believe in the spirit of love and giving, because that's what keeps the spirit of the holidays alive in us all. No matter who you are, where you live, or what traditions you celebrate, this time of year is special for everyone. The world shines a little brighter when we share love, hope, and care with each other. Now, I'll be checking my list twice, and I'll be making sure the reindeer are ready for their flight. Keep doing your best and keep being kind, and I'll be thinking of you as I fly over your home on Christmas Eve. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Happy holidays, and may your days be filled with peace, joy, and love.
For more fun, dancing, singing, and learning, subscribe at Santa's Learning Workshop.